Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week, I've built this weather dashboard with a colorful display. Due to the popularity of the previous weather dashboard, I've decided to redesign it with a sharper display and add an onboard sensor for monitoring indoor temperature and humidity. A user-defined button allows you to switch between the main weather dashboard and the sensor gauge screen. Watch till the end to see how it comes out. I'm using this D1 Mini microcontroller to communicate with the display and the sensor, and also use its Wi-Fi connectivity to gather data from the internet. It's a handy Wi-Fi board for its versatile applications. Let me solder the header pins to the board so that I can make our first prototype of this project on breadboard. Now to measure the indoor temperature and humidity, I'll use this tiny sensor board with only 4 pins. I'll place the sensor on the breadboard like this. For displaying all the data, I'm going to use this round edge display. The display is 1.69 inches by size, driven by 7789 driver chip. It has a resolution of 240 pixels by 280 pixels. These are pretty common display driver to work with the ESP library. After connecting the board to the computer, I'll need to edit the library setup to make this work. I'll open the TFT library and open this user setup file. I'll need to disable this user setup by putting / in front of it. Then go to setup number 203 and remove / from its beginning. Save the file and exit. Now open this user setups folder and find setup number 203 again. Open it with a text editor and edit the pin definition just like I'm showing here. Save the edited file and close it. I'm done here with the library setup. Now let's upload an example code. The code works fine and it's time to build the circuit. And before we continue with the circuit build, I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, JLC-PCB. JLC-PCB provides PCB and PCBA services worldwide. They offer transparent pricing with PCB orders starting as low as $2 and monthly coupons to help you save. With fast manufacturing and 24/7 customer support. They keep more than 700,000 components in stock, which helps reduce assembly time and speed up production. Every assembled board also goes through professional inspection and quality checks. Simply visit their website, upload your design files, and bring your ideas to life without the long wait. Their one-stop PCB assembly service offers cost-effective SMT assembly with reliable, high-quality manufacturing. You can find the link in the video description. I made this adapter board for all the components so that they can be placed and removed easily. These pin connectors come with the D1 Mini board, so I didn't have to buy them additionally. You can use any kind of prototype board for the wiring, and the circuit diagram is given in the description. This lithium polymer battery is the perfect fit for this project with this small USB charger. Now let's start assembling the parts, starting with the battery and the charger. The assembly is finished, now the source code can be uploaded to the board. Before uploading the code, you need to insert your Wi-Fi credentials. Also, your weather key from OpenWeather website with your current city name. Make sure you select the correct board with the correct serial port. Hit the upload button and wait for a few minutes. After the code is uploaded successfully, the board will reset and connect to the Wi-Fi. The display is vibrant and it looks even better in person. You can switch between the screens by pressing the button. Many other functions can be added to this design in the future. I also tested the battery charging and it works fine. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can visit my blog for more details. See you in my next video.